just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. I think the only people who are people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Run the hidden pine trails of the forest, taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers, the heron and the otter are my friends, and we're all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or make the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, for whether we are white or coppered skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth, but still all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the This will be my last song for tonight, and I'm going to call Bobby up. Thank you guys so much. You've been a lovely audience. What if I told you it was all meant to be? Would you believe me? Would you agree? It's almost that feeling we've met before. So tell me that you been such a wonderful audience. I really enjoyed tonight. I hope you did.
Give it up for Jackie DiMaggio, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.